Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to Roots and Truths. All right, today we're gonna be doing some work today. Um, Time to start working. A lot of video filming and stuff. Gotta work sometimes. So today we'll be doing a raised bed, our very first raised bed. So the idea is to actually do a lot of raised beds, mostly raised beds. We're gonna start off with raised beds. I may experiment with planting directly in the soil just because I know the soil is deep enough. I may add different things to it like peat moss and just to hold the water. It's very clay here, so I know the soil is going to drain pretty quickly. Um, but I'm going to do a 12 by 4 raised bed, 12 12 feet by 4 feet. Um, and the goal is eventually cover that in a hoop house or a greenhouse and put another one next to it. So you have one raised bed here, right here, then another one over here. No, it's gonna be. So we have a lot of work ahead of us. The reason why we're doing a raised bed is so that we can really give. Well, the first thing is to give good soil. Like we're gonna build a bed with the soil that we want with the correct mixes, and then we're gonna help remove the weeds and stuff from competing with what we grow. Like if I plant directly here, like in a soil growing here, I'll have to come every day and pull out a lot of weeds, and that's me. Weed is gonna compete with our cucumbers, with everything. And the raised beds are just cuter. I can do things with the raised beds like my irrigation. I can cover it kind of. I do have a dog here, puppy here, so I'll have to maybe do a fence around it. As we're still working on design, however we design. So I do have to, I'm gonna build a garden, but also have to kind of design the backyard because, my wife is gonna complain if it's ugly. So it's gotta look good. That's actually more pressure than actually doing the garden, making it look good. Yeah. All right, off we go to do a raised bed. See you soon.
Yeah, good.